Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I actually want to make a video, this same video again. I actually made the previous one which we actually see and everything was concluded and the profit there was actually low. Then I actually want to do another one to show you that the profit is huge now, that it depends on when you enter into the market. So right now I have come to the market and at least the market is moving quite a little bit okay. So I actually want to jump into this video right now and show you that you can make money from this particular arbitrage depending on when you enter into the market. So without wasting much time, let me quickly take you guys through. Before I get into the video, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do wait to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button because you are going to get notified anytime I post new videos. So first of all, let's click on P2P trading here where you are seeing on top of the screen here. Click on it. So once you are here on your P2P, you need to insert the amount you actually want to buy. Once you are on this interface, what you need to do is to click on with crypto because we are actually want to use 100 USDT for this as our startup capital. So let's insert 100 USD. So with our 100 USDT, we are going to pay 119,700 naira. We are going to pay 119,700 naira as our startup capital. So have that at the back of your mind. So let's proceed to another step. After cutting your 100 USDT at the rate of 119,700 naira, what you need to do is to come and search for USDT/EUR. You are going to see it this way, or you actually use the convert button on top there. So what we need to do is let's insert the amount. Okay, with our 100 USDT, we are going to have 93.92 euro. So let's go and convert this euro back to USDT and see how much we are going to make. So let's move to another step. So after converting your USDT into your euro, you need to come to where you see fiat deposit here. Once you are here on fiat deposit, you click on it and wait for it to load. You click on buy crypto. Okay, once you are here, can you see the interface now? Please make sure that it is on. Let me click on this one click buy. You can see, make sure that it is on one click buy. What you need to do is to click on NGN here and select euro. You can see it's recommended and it's on top. Just click on the euro. Once you click on it, you insert the amount you actually have, 93.92 euro. 93.92 euro will give you 100.98 USDT. Let's go to our P2P and sell this off and see the potential profit we are going to make. Once you are back on your P2P marketplace, you need to click on sell here. Remember, we have converted back our euro to USD. So once you are here, you need to click on the amount you actually want to sell. Let's just sell like 100 bucks again. So can you see on top that is a merchant that is willing to buy your 100 USDT at the rate of 1,195 naira. So what you need to do is just to click on sell. If I should insert the amount of USDT here, Bybit is not going to show us the estimated amount here because I don't actually have up to 100 USDT here in this account right now. But I will take you to my calculator and we are going to do this calculation manually and see the potential profit you will be making if you actually use the technique I'm showing you. But let me just show you what I actually meant. Let me insert 100 USDT. Can you see it's not showing anything up here because I don't have up to that amount right now here on this wallet. So let me go and do this manually. Okay, now we are on our calculator. A merchant on Bybit wanted to buy our 100 USDT at the rate of 1,195 naira. So we have 100.93 USDT. Let's say 100.98 USDT will give us 120,671 naira. Now we are going to minus our startup capital from our profit. So our profit is 12671, 120,671 naira, while our startup capital was minus 119,700. Our startup capital was 119,700 naira. Then we minus it from our profit, which is 120,671 naira. So we have left with a general potential profit of 971 naira. So let's say you go this like 5 times. 971 times 5, you can see in a day you have actually made 4,855 naira. Let's say you go like 10 times in a day, you make 9,710 naira. Then imagine you go 20 times, you will make 19,420 naira. So this is actually profitable. So if you like this kind of video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.